Next works will be draw number 71. TNR. Wanna see my can, 2019 Bay Mare. This horse has a lot of grit, yo. Suzanne Frank, Cisco, Texas. I want you to watch the style this horse turns. We have Dakota Monks on board. Victory Farms, Ada, Oklahoma. Now clear to run. They're the breeders. Eddie Stinson's the sire. Chase This Ivory's the dam, was by Ivory James. TNR, I want to see my can 2019 Bay Mare. First and second, they're behind us. History in the first go-round. Come on, Dakota Monk. Could this be our first 15-second run? 16-0-15, 16015. That's draw number